Are you looking for woodworking project ideas to make money as a woodworker? Or are you a home decor expert looking for stunning wooden pieces to revamp your living spaces? In either case, you have come to the right place, as we have gathered you more than 90 stylish wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas for you to choose from. Wood has been used in construction and decor for thousands of years, with various cultures around the world incorporating it into their architectural and design traditions. From Japanese tatami mats to Scandinavian log cabins, wood carries cultural significance and historical relevance that can enrich a home's decor. Quality wooden furniture and decor can appreciate in value over time, particularly if they are made from rare or sought-after woods. Investing in well-crafted wooden pieces can be a smart financial decision, as they may retain or increase their value over the years. Many wooden items are handcrafted, showcasing the skill and artistry of the craftsmen who create them. This emphasis on craftsmanship adds unique character and value to wooden decor. Supporting artisans who work with wood can also foster a sense of community and help preserve traditional techniques. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stylish wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you didn't know you needed to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Choosing wood products often means supporting local manufacturers and artisans. This can contribute to the local economy and promote sustainable practices. By investing in wooden decor, homeowners can feel good about their purchases while supporting their communities. Wooden furniture and decor are generally easy to maintain. Regular dusting and occasional polishing can keep wooden surfaces looking their best. Many modern wooden products are treated to resist stains and scratches, making them practical for everyday use. As we have mentioned repeatedly in our videos, wood is a durable material that can withstand wear and tear. With proper care, wooden items can last for many years, making them a worthwhile investment. This longevity means that homeowners can enjoy their wooden decor without frequent replacements or repairs. One of the joys of using wood in home decor is the ability to personalize and customize pieces. Homeowners can choose specific types of wood, finishes, and designs to create items that reflect their tastes and preferences. This level of customization allows for truly unique decor that can't be found in mass-produced items. Wood is a popular material for DIY projects, enabling homeowners to create their own custom decor. From building furniture to crafting decorative accents, wood offers endless possibilities for creativity. Engaging in DIY projects can be a fulfilling way to personalize a home while honing woodworking skills. The benefits of using wood for home decor are numerous and multifaceted. From its natural beauty and aesthetic appeal to its durability, health benefits, and sustainability, wood offers a range of advantages that make it an ideal choice for homeowners. Its versatility allows it to fit seamlessly into various design styles, while its cultural significance and economic value add depth to its appeal. By incorporating wood into home decor, individuals can create spaces that are not only beautiful, but also functional, sustainable, and reflective of their personal style. As we continue to seek ways to live more sustainably and harmoniously with nature, wood remains a timeless and valuable resource for enhancing our living environments. Whether through furniture, flooring, or decorative accents, the warmth and character of wood can transform any space into a welcoming sanctuary. As a woodworker, there are several ways you can make money from this craft. One such method is provision of consultancy services. As you gain experience, consider consulting for businesses or individuals looking to design specific woodworking projects. Your expertise can be invaluable in helping clients achieve their goals. To succeed in a woodworking business, a well-rounded marketing strategy is essential for success. Develop a strong brand identity, including a memorable name, logo, and consistent visual style. This creates recognition and trust with your audience. Create a professional website to showcase your portfolio, list products, and provide information about your services. Ensure it is user-friendly and mobile responsive. Build an email list to keep customers informed about new products, upcoming events, and special promotions. Regular newsletters can help maintain engagement. Partner with other local businesses or artisans for cross-promotions. This can broaden your reach and introduce you to new customers. As your woodworking business grows, managing your finances becomes increasingly important. Create a budget to track income and expenses. This will help you understand your profitability and identify areas for improvement. Maintain organized records of sales, expenses, and taxes. Consider using accounting software to streamline this process. Reinvest profits into your business for tools, marketing, and education to continue growing. Making money as a woodworker requires a combination of skill, creativity, and business acumen. By understanding the market, honing your craft, effectively pricing your work, and utilizing various sales channels, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. Whether you choose to focus on crafting unique products, offering services, or a combination of both, the possibilities are vast. Stay committed, be adaptable, and continue to innovate, and you'll find success in the world of woodworking. As experienced woodworkers, individuals can also venture into selling tools or materials. This could involve partnering with local suppliers or creating an online store that offers specialized tools for woodworking enthusiasts. Providing expert advice and product reviews can enhance credibility and attract customers. Woodworkers may also find opportunities in sourcing and selling high-quality wood. By establishing relationships with local mills or sustainable wood suppliers, they can create a business around providing premium materials to fellow woodworkers or DIY enthusiasts. The woodworking industry is competitive, with many artisans vying for attention in both local and online markets. Finding a niche and developing a unique selling proposition is crucial for standing out. Economic downturns can impact consumer spending on luxury items like custom furniture. Woodworkers must be prepared to adapt their business strategies in response to changing market conditions. Balancing the creative aspects of woodworking with the business side can be challenging. Time management becomes essential to ensure that marketing, sales, and production are all given adequate attention. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stylish wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you didn't know you needed to revamp your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.